how can you fix such kind of broken or chipped off phone wires? Now if you see, this wire is chipped off at many places. The condition is really bad and it's dirty as well. So firstly, you will have to take electric tape. We are not done only by putting electric tape, because the process will start thereafter. Once you have done winding this wire on the portion where it requires winding with the electric tape in this way, after that you will have to take a tissue with oil, any kind of oil. Now this portion is going to be the cleaning. So if you do not want to do it with oil and you feel it's not going to be good, it's not going to clean, you can use hand sanitizer as well. That also helps in removing the dirt stain. So now here I am going to wind this wire with a thread. Now the first portion of the winding would be taking a loop and winding it over that looped portion of the thread that you have made the loop with. So basically it is not clear over here. However, I will show you how to finish the ending of this winding, and the start bit I'll show you in my next winding. I'm doing bit by bit of winding because I need different colors on this wire. The end portion of the winding, I'm just going to cut that thread how much it's required and then pass it through the loop that I have on top in this way. Once I have passed that loose end through the loop, all I have to do is the other strand which is downside, the other strand where we begin the winding from, that place I will pull. And can you see it's tightening on top? Yes, that's what we require. So once you tighten it in this way, your winding is secured on this wire. So in this way we do it. So here I formed the loop and all I have to do is twist the thread around that long loop that I had formed in this way, all the way till the length that I require to wind it around. Now you can do it part by part. Longer might take time. Again, I'm just cutting this portion. I will pass it through the loop and tighten it by pulling it on the downside. I am done with the first bit, and this is the second bit of the winding, the blue color. I'll just show you the full wire after I have done the winding, and it looks really cute. I'll show you the full thing in a longer form. Doesn't it look nice? Do leave in your comments, and for those who are new, please do subscribe. Bye.